Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today is like a mini garden tour because I obviously don't have everything planted yet, nor do I even have the entire garden ready. However, I do have some things planted, mostly ones that are frost. Oh wait, are you enjoying that dirt, ma'am? Mostly ones that are frost hardy because it's towards the end of April, but crazy things can happen and I don't want to, plant my tomatoes or peppers or anything like that and end up having a cold day and then they die. So it's mostly brassicas and greens, and I did get my garden arch up for you guys, so I will show you that as well. The chickens are out, so you will see some cameos of the chickens. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So sorry in advance, it is very windy here today, so hopefully you guys don't pick up too much on that. So here I have some red cabbage. I've never grown cabbage before, so this is a first for me, but I'm very excited. So I got some red cabbage growing. My rhubarb that comes back every year is already starting to come back in. And then here I have a mixture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those 7 plants are a mixture of broccoli and cauliflower. Last year I tried to grow broccoli and they ended up just going to seed because it got too hot. So those are there. Hopefully they go a little better this year. Cayenne is running away because she was, can you tell they got to them? So these 3 here are radishes. So I have those planted. I have some sugar snap peas here. And this is the glorious garden arch. Let me step back a little so you guys can really, oh, hey tripod. So this is the garden arch. And my idea is to have some peas growing up and then maybe some like bush beans or something growing up on that side. However, it's gonna grow on the arch. Maybe I'll do cucumbers instead. I'm not really sure, but either way, garden arch was ordered, built, and installed. So love that. And then over here we have some cilantro plants. I do have another one inside that I'm gonna put outside as well. So we have some 1, 2 cilantro. I'm still working on getting the rest of the garden ready, so don't judge me too harshly, but yeah. So cilantro is there. These are Brussels sprouts. Never grown Brussels sprouts either. This is also a first time for me, so we'll see how that goes. And then these plants here are spinach, so very excited for those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is spinach. And then there is Swiss chard. Last year I grew way too much Swiss chard that I didn't even know what to do with it. I mean, I'm sure it would be fine this year because I have chickens, but I only have 1 Swiss chard plant this time. Romaine lettuce here. That's thanks to Cayenne. And some sandy oak lettuce, I believe that is. And then here are some beets. And again, beets are a new thing for me, so I'm very excited to try growing those as well. So the area over here, it gets sun until about 12:31ish, I would say. So that's why I always considered this area to be a better place for the greens, the plants that don't need full sun, that kind of stuff. So there was actually a bunch of lily of the valleys that grew back here, and I tore them all up. It took forever, and I still feel like you can find some hidden in there. But anyway, I dug them all up and decided to give myself all this extra room because the lilies of the valleys went from here to probably about here, I would say. So all this extra space I have now to garden. And then also I do have some things that are growing back from last year. So like here's some oregano. So obviously I still have to like till out the old roots and stuff. So I have to till that out, but the oregano is going back as well, which is very exciting. And then this morning I did do some tilling. So I prepared this soil. This is all for my this whole area is usually for cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. So like all my peppers, tomatoes, they all like grow in this spot usually. And I know you're supposed to switch up the spots that you grow stuff in. I tried to grow tomatoes in a container one year and I just did not like the results at all. So I tilled and weeded and prepared this area, and what I did was I added some compost and some perlite to the soil, which is why it looks like, why you see all the white specks. I'm probably going to plant them within the next week or two. Like I said, I usually like to wait to the very, very last day in April or the very beginning of May to get tomatoes and peppers planted. And I'm also being very shy because my neighbor's gate broke, so they can literally see me filming right now, and I want to crawl in a hole and die. So this here, I actually don't remember what it was. I don't remember planting this, but I'm assuming it might be garlic. I know I planted garlic once and like baby onions once. So this has to be either baby onions or garlic. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's gonna be one of those things. Rose thorn or rose bush number 1 coming in well. Rose bush number 2 coming in well. And my chives are already coming in as well. They're even about to start flowering, which is really nice. So chives are growing nice and strong. And then mint is all of that over there. I also obviously still have to clean up some stuff, but that's what's going on over here. So eventually it'll all look beautiful like this, but you know, baby steps. Oh, hello chickens. Do you want to say hello? No? Nothing to say? Cool. Maybe not. I don't quite remember, but there are some potatoes in here, and I'll probably do another thing with potatoes just because we really do love them so much, and you never have too many potatoes, right? And then here are my strawberries. I did not think these were going to start growing back by themselves, but they are, and they're looking very nice. So I am definitely going to have to elevate these. I'm sure the chickens will any second they get, so I'm probably going to get a platform or something to raise the strawberries up. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will obviously be doing an updated garden tour once I have everything planted. Probably within 2 or 3 weeks, I would say. So I'm definitely excited that garden content is finally freaking here. I felt like we were never gonna get here, but here we are. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.